Hey guys, it's nighttime and we're out at the park and we're gonna find Pennywise, the dancing clown. So, remember last time on Do Not Stay Up at Night, I found real life Pennywise. That video, if you have watched it, tell me in the comments. Today we're gonna find Pennywise. And now my parents are over there. Dad, say hi to the cameras and the audience. Say hi. Hi. Good. Can you tell them what we're gonna do tonight?
I don't know what you're doing. Do whatever you want to do right now.
And you guys can tell him in the comments what we actually took. So, right now we're gonna find Pennywise. I don't think we'll need the flashlight because we haven't found anything yet. So let's continue the search. Dad and Mom, follow me. Follow me. My mom is still watching her phone, so we're gonna continue. Oh, it looks like we're in some things like grass, and what's just moved over there? Maybe some kind of big bug or something. And here's a big tree. Well, it's so tall. My camera's already high, so well, there's a tree that has been cut. Oh, and what's this? Sticks of the trees. What's happened to the ground? Sorry, my parents are talking, but I hope that doesn't annoy you. So here, some little animals could hide, like, here's my hand. I'm gonna put it in, spider webs, I'm never doing that again. But I can even climb it. If you look at my feet, I'm stepping on the branch. Oh no, I'm not gonna climb it, but I can if it was harder. So now, there's a bush. We haven't found any Pennywise things yet, so let's continue. Let's step out of here. Now we're in the park, so you can see, there's some balls, a place to climb, and a slide. We're gonna go check the slide first. Something could be in it because it's nighttime. It's my dad. Show them the trick that you do. Wow. Try that again so the audience could see it. Get down and then show them again. I'll stand over here.
No, don't show. That's nothing.
Okay.
Nobody will watch this, okay?
Okay, so you can just go on it's too slippery. It rained today, so wow, it's slippery even here. You see, it's the top over there. Now, I'm gonna climb up, but I want my dad to show them because I'm gonna be climbing. Show them where I'm climbing. Okay, good. Show, just photograph me, okay? Not any else. Where I'm going and when I'm up on the slide, when I come down, photograph. Still the video just show. Hi guys. Now I'm gonna go there. It's a little wet. So this wasn't a good idea, but I already went down. So now give the photo to me, and something could be under that ping pong thingy. It's a little dark to see, but it's nighttime. Well, that's the other side. Now there's nothing down here. I think we're going up to something. I need a flashlight. Dad, give me the flashlight. So here's the flashlight. Good. Now wherever you go, you know what is here. What's this? Some kind of animal scratch. No? Is it up here? Oh, it's still there. Okay. Oh, what's this? It's a hill over there. I wonder what. Oh, here's. It says, if you can see, did you wash your hands? Wow, it's pretty old. So let's keep going. And here's some other bricks. But it doesn't have, wow, here's another one. And here's my feet. I'm getting pretty far from my parents, so it's not very good. What's this? Oh, why? Oh, shit. Guys, I just found a paper boat, and I will put the light on, but I can't really read it. Let's take the light off and see what it says. No, we have to keep it on. We can see it. Let's put it over here on this place and then see what it says. S Georgie. Oh my God. If there is, there must be Georgie. Okay. Part 1 is done. So wait, where's the light flashing?